Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites, a working shell and VS Code updated. Open the integrated terminal with Control+ and pick your shell from the drop-down. This establishes the runtime environment. Next, set a readable font family and size in settings so prompts align correctly. Once done, enable GPU or Canvas renderer for performance. You want a stable baseline before deeper customization. Make sure extensions that alter terminals are disabled, while you change core settings to avoid conflicts. Now you tweak appearance and behavior. Open settings. JSON and change font family, font size, and line height so output wraps predictably. Modify terminal colors using terminal. ANSI asterisk entries and set a background for contrast. This improves readability for long sessions. Configure shell args to pass login flags, set end variables per workspace, and choose cursor style for visibility. Once configured, reload the window to apply changes. This ensures your visual and functional preferences persist across projects. Finish with advanced tweaks. Add a prompt framework like OhmyZSH or PowerLevel 10K or PoshGit for PowerShell to get informative prompts. Create terminal profiles to switch quickly between shells and add tasks that launch commands in a terminal instance. Set up environment-specific settings in vscode/settings, JSON for per-project consistency. If something breaks, reopen settings. JSON and look for conflicting keys. Disable extensions to isolate the issue, then re-enable them one at a time to find the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.